Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine Katrina, and today we are trying some new products. I'm talking the Fenty Eaze drop. I got it, y'all, and I'm trying it. Also trying the new Huda Beauty palette, one of the three that are new. This is in the palette Toffee. So if you like this look and you kind of want to see how everything comes together, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and put on my primer and did my brows off camera. So for primer, we use the Wet n Wild Serum Primer. For brows, I use the Lip Bars Brow Pencil. So we're going to go in with concealer. And then test out the new Fenty Skin Eaze Drop Tinted Moisturizer. Let's see how that goes. And we'll also be testing out the Huda Beauty's new brown Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I did grab one of them. There's three, but I, trying to take it easy on my palettes because I have so many. So that is me trying. You're welcome. Okay, so let's get into it. So when you go on the website or Sephora or Fenty's direct website, they have them in kind of like a grouping of shades. So I got shade 21. So let's see. They say you should apply with your hands, but I might get my nails dirty, so we're gonna apply it with a brush. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Foundation brush, and let's test this out. Okay. Okay. Not bad at all. I do believe it's buildable, but I don't want a thick layer. Oh, that's nice, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna add a little more on my forehead. Okay. Well, I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some concealer. For concealer today, we're gonna go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX. This is in the shade Warm Caramel for the under eye. Okay, so far I really like, oops, it's the wrong brush. I really like that formula. So it's clearly like light coverage, or maybe more medium. I'm gonna go in with one more layer to just clear up where my concealer is happening here under the other eye. But yeah, I like that. I'm just gonna buff out where the concealer and found the skin tint blur. Drag it down to my neck a little bit. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, let me grab the... Okay, so for eyes, we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Brown Obsessions. This is Toffee. So I will show you guys. This is the palette. And I think I want to do a light brown look. I'm gonna avoid the yellow because, you know, I've been wearing the yellow a lot, but I think I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with this brown here and this light shade here, and maybe this shade here. So those are the shades we're working with. So let me do a quick swatch. This is the brown. Can you see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on, I'm gonna do one more. Oh yeah, you can see it, I think. I don't know if y'all can tell. This is the light. Okay, you can see that. That's pretty. And then we'll go in with the softer brown, which I don't know if you'll be able to see either. Well, you might be able to see that. So you can kind of tell that's the shade range. So with my all over shader brush, my purple one, we're gonna go in with that last brown I showed you, and real lightly just go right up to the brow. And then with a blending brush, I'm gonna go in with that darker brown, that chocolatey brown right here, and I'm gonna just buff out up into like the inner eye. Same thing on this side. And then with a flat brush, sorry, my hair is blowing in the wind over here because I'm hot. I'm gonna go in with that lighter shade and just do the pretty. So no eyeliner, can't find it, but I am gonna go in with my new Kosas mascara, and let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there. I want a little blush, so I think we're gonna go in with Towel. Y'all know I love a good towel. Yeah. I'm gonna go right up there. That is so pretty. Now I do want to end off with a red lip. I picked up a couple of different lipsticks recently from Sephora and Ulta, but I think I want a deep red. So we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Supermatte Stay Ink. This is in the shade Voyager. So I will swatch this, and look at that red. That's pretty. Okay, so we're gonna go in. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Do I have my? I sure do. I'm gonna just line my lips with the what is this, ELLARIE? Yeah, the ELLARIE lip liner. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Y'all. Oh, baby. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. I am here for this look. Whew. Okay, let me wrap up. Thank you guys so much for watching. First impressions. So with this Fenty Eaze drop, love this. It's giving me good coverage for such a lightweight material. I did think it was going to be a little bit bigger in packaging, so I was a little thrown off by the size of it, but I think a little goes a long way, as you can tell. Like I didn't put that much on across the face. I think it's gonna be great for the summertime. So if you're not interested in wearing like heavier foundations in the spring and summer seasons, I would recommend this. I did have other options, like if you're not whatever, I lost my train of thought. I would definitely recommend this. So that was really good. First impressions of the Toffee Brown Obsessions from HUDA Beauty. Loved these colors. I think I can get a lot of creative ideas out of this. So if you want more looks, let me know. I am excited to try this. I might go back and buy the other two. I'm trying not to, but listen, if the people want it, I gotta give it to the people. So if y'all want me to try the other palettes, let me know. Comment below and let me know what you guys think, and I'll make sure to grab some in the next couple weeks and do some looks from that. Other than that, everything else is pretty neutral on the pretty much known to the face. Loved this red. Again, this is the Maybelline Super Matte ink in the shade Voyager. So highly recommend. This is giving me, I'm not even sure the vibe I'm wearing right now, but I like the energy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, be well, do well, and be safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.